Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... We're starting off on the high rim trail, or not the high rim trail, the McDougal rim trail. We're gonna try to go up from Rose Valley and see how that goes. Now, a lot of this is developed and a lot of this is kind of private landish. I did hear somebody make it up here a little while ago, so I think it's possible. We'll just have to figure out how. But we gotta get on top of those guys up there. Alright, let's do it to it. Already it's kind of neat in here. Okay, so we're at a rock outcropping. This is the valley. There's Carrot Mountain area. not the worst we've done so far. But if there's a lot more uphill, I'm gonna have to write an angry letter. Came across this tree. Yeah, someone was trying to kill themselves. You see, this here has been cut. The rest of the tree is kind of stuck in here. Now this here has a good chance of popping over and crushing a guy's face. done at the first lookout. I've swapped back to my 50mm. And we're gonna start heading back on trail here. It really feels like we're over halfway done this guy, but you know, we kind of hike a trail and you block out the memories of the pain. It's like traumatic experiences. So, fun story about this tree. I was hiking up here probably a couple of years ago. I got to this point where I realized I had left my camera back at the first viewpoint and had to run back and get it. Oh, there you are. Run, chipmunk, run! Not the fanciest view, but it's still a really nice one. And we got a puppy. Okay, so I'm just gonna point a couple of things out first. There's blue grouse right there. There's Heman Mountain. As you can see, Little White's way out there. And Black Knight Mountains over there. Second viewpoint down. We're ready to head to the top. And this is your view here. And check out this rock face right along here and all that moss along it. And that's just incredible. Okay, let's do it to it. So, this is what you miss if you don't do this part.
Workout pause.
I admit the second lookout was a bit crowded. But you still get great views along the trail. And if you keep watching Rose Valley and that, you might get to see some hikers down there.
Workout.
Let's get into the Rose Valley area here.
Workout pause.
I'll show you that. Okay, let's do it to it and keep on going. Look at these rocks though. All this cliff. Look at all this poking through. You really have to take your photos of the viewpoints, because I think the top is somewhat anticlimactic in terms of the weather station anyway. But let's see what we got. Let's do it to it. If you can see, in that hole in the bark, there's a little alligator lizard. Just trying to hide from me here. Keep it as quiet as you can. Check this out. Look at all this larkspur. This is crazy. I'll have to get up some close shots because it's really pretty in a macro setting. Let's find one in the sun here. But yeah, this is just clumps of them all around us. We skipped the summit. It's after 5 o'clock. We've climbed enough. I think I can call it a summit. But we're almost at the end point that we're taking for today. And it's just gonna be this rocky, baldy mountain here. I'm running on empty. I think I've given it everything I got on this guy. The bugs have been getting steadily worse. They were really bad in the upper deep forest. Still seem pretty bad here, but what? So that, ladies and gentlemen, is normally Hayman Lake. And it's usually a lot more lake-like than that. We must have had a bad snow year or something. I don't think it would get filled from anywhere else, but just right here. But yeah. This is as far as we're going today. What? No way. Who the hell brings a chair all the way up here? Okay, yeah, so that was for the... We are going to stop here and relax. You can't even see Rose Valley from up here. How high up we are. We're on our way back down. Feeling pretty exhausted. Now I feel like I gave it up my all, but I'm pretty sure I've got a bit more in the tank. Another potentially bad muddy spot. Didn't die. Look at that. Yep. Oh, there's probably water all over the lens. There's a rainbow. There's a city for you. It's all coming down, obviously. The weather's getting worse. Right now it's not as bad as it has been, but it's still coming down. So we're gonna put on some kilometers and try to get out of here. But I just thought that made the view look so much more different. Who wants to see the difference a couple extra hours on the trail makes? Changes like that. Okay, so we made it to here. We're on our way down. We're within 4 kilometers of the car, so I'm going to sign out here. But I just wanted to show you the sunset. I think we're going to run out of light by the time we get back to the car, but if we hustle, we might be okay.